Have you noticed it? Sourdough is everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. People are showing off their perfectly blistered crusts, their starter jars with cute names, and those dramatic crumb shots. It's like sourdough has become a personality trait. But here's the thing, no one talks about what's really behind the sourdough craze. And trust me, it's not just flour, water, and a little patience. Sourdough isn't just bread. It's a ritual, a test of resilience, and sometimes, a mirror for everything we don't want to admit about ourselves. Let me explain. You see, making sourdough is romanticized as this wholesome, almost meditative experience. And yeah, there's something magical about turning simple ingredients into something alive. But what no one tells you is that sourdough will test you. It's messy, unpredictable, and sometimes, it fails, just like life. That jar of bubbling starter? It's a living thing that demands attention. Forget to feed it, and it dies. Overfeed it, and it overflows. And when it doesn't rise the way you expected, you start questioning everything. Did I do it wrong? Why isn't this working? And let's talk about the obsession. Why are we so hooked on this ancient, rustic bread in the first place? Maybe it's because sourdough feels like a rebellion against the instant, the convenient, the fake. In a world where everything is fast, sourdough slows us down. It forces us to wait, to watch, to care. But no one talks about the ugly side of sourdough. The flops. The starters that smell more like gym socks than fermentation. The loaves that come out like bricks when you followed every single step perfectly. And yet, we keep coming back. Why? Because sourdough teaches us something deeper. It's not about perfection. It's about showing up, getting your hands dirty, and trying again. It's about finding beauty in the imperfections, the uneven crust, the odd bubbles, the loaf that doesn't look like the ones in the photos. And maybe that's why everyone is obsessed. Because sourdough is more than bread, it's a lesson in patience, resilience, and letting go of control. So yeah, everyone's obsessed with sourdough. But it's not just a trend. It's a reminder that sometimes, the messiest, most unpredictable things in life are the ones that teach us the most.